Good morning all, welcome to our next class. Today we are discussed about what is new convention, new Cartesian sign convention, new Cartesian sign convention. In the previous class we are discussed about what is mirror equation, and that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. And f is the focal length, u is the distance of the object from the mirror, and v is the distance of the image from the mirror. So I think all of you understand what is the mirror equation. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. And now we have another topic, that is the new Cartesian sign convention. New Cartesian sign convention. And this is discussed about the same about mirrors, that is we are using different types of mirrors for image formation. The types of mirrors we are discussed in the previous class, that is plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. And the types of mirror is comes to changing. The image formation is changing. The position of the image and the nature of image is changing. We are using different types of mirrors. Based on the mirrors, the image formation is changing. The position of the image is changing and the nature of the image is changing. In one situation is that different types of mirrors using, the image formation is changing. And the focal length of the mirrors changing, the image formation is changing. And the position of the object is changing, the image formation is changing. So the image formation is depending one or more points. One is that the focal length of the mirrors changing, the image formation is changing. And different types of mirrors using, the image formation is changing. And the position of the object is changing, image formation is changing. Position of the image is changing. The image position of the object is changing, the image formation is changing. That is, in concave mirrors, we are using to put the image in different portions. Changing the position of the image, that makes to changing the image. Sometimes the image may be small size compared to the object. Otherwise, its size is large. Sometimes it is inverted and real image. So all of this is basing the position of the image is changing. So when we using the new Cartesian sign convention, when the position of the object is changing, the position of the image and nature of the image is changing. So we want to find in how the size of the object changing, how the nature of the image changing with the new Cartesian sign convention. So new Cartesian sign convention is used to find out the focal length and the changing of images formed in an experiment using different types of mirrors with changing the position of the object. Okay, so new Cartesian sign convention is used to find out the focal length of mirrors and the position and the nature of changing the image with changing the position of the object. So I think all of you understand about what is the use of new Cartesian sign convention. So what are the main features that is describing in new Cartesian sign convention? New Cartesian sign convention. In new Cartesian sign convention, it is used to measuring the length of the distance of the image from the mirror and the distance of the object from the mirror and other properties of the image is measuring, that is same as the measurement of a graph. When we using to measure the length of some object using a graph paper, such method is used to measuring in the measurement of focal length or the height or size of the image formation using mirrors. So, in New Cartesian sign convention way, it is same as the way of finding out the length or the distance using with a graph paper. So, the New Cartesian convention is following how to find out the length using a graph paper. So, the first point in New Cartesian sign convention is the origin of a graph paper is taken as the pole of the mirror. So, the pole of the mirror is taken as the position of the origin of the graph paper. So, the mirror is put into contact with a graph paper. The origin of the graph paper is touched with the pole of the mirror. So, the first point is origin of the graph paper is taken as the pole of the mirror. And from the origin, from the right side, that is taken as positive side. And from the opposite direction of this, it is taken as the negative side. So, the origin of the graph is, this is taken as the origin of the graph paper and the pole of the mirror. And from here to right side, the values are taken in positive value. And from here to the opposite side, the values are taken as negative. And there is objects put in the experiment in front of the mirrors. And the position that are upper side of the x-axis is taken as positive and the lower side of the x-axis is taken as negative. I think all of you understand what is the sign convention in sign convention using New Cartesian sign convention. That is, the origin of the graph paper is taken as the pole of the mirror. From the right side of the origin of the graph paper or pole of the mirror is taken as positive sign, and from the origin to opposite of the positive sign is taken as the negative sign, and the upper part of the x-axis is taken as positive sign and the lower part of the x-axis is taken as negative sign. So, there are positive sides and negative sides. We are using New Cartesian sign convention. So, the origin of the graph paper is taken as the pole. From the origin to right side, that is taken as positive. From the origin to the left side, that is taken as negative. The portion, that is the upper part of the x-axis, is taken as positive and the lower part of that side is taken as negative. So, these are the 3 points we are discussing in the New Cartesian sign convention. That is, first one, the pole of the mirror is taken as the origin of the graph. And the second point is that from the origin to the right side, from the origin to the right side, it is taken as positive. And opposite of that, it is taken as negative. And the upper side of the x-axis is taken as positive. And the lower side of the x-axis is taken as negative. So, this is the way of using the signs in new Cartesian sign convention. I think all of you understand what is the signs that are describing in new Cartesian sign convention. Only here is only 3 points. The first one is the origin of the graph paper is taken as the pole of the mirror. And from the origin to the right side, the sign is taken as positive. Opposite of that is taken as negative. And the upper side of the x-axis is taken as positive and the lower side or downward side is taken as negative. So this is only saying the new Cartesian sign convention. When using the new Cartesian sign convention, we have to find out the distance between the image from the mirror, object from the mirror, and height of the object, height of the image. We want to find out in all of this using new Cartesian sign convention, and from this we have to calculate the focal length of mirrors using mirror equation. So, in new Cartesian sign convention, first of all, we are using to find out what is the length of the, what is the distance of the object from the mirror, what is the distance from the image from the mirror using the new Cartesian sign convention, and also find out the length of the height of the object and height of the image. How can we calculate using new Cartesian sign convention? So first of all, here we are using a concave mirror to find out the image formation and the length and the distance between them. So first of all, we are considering an object and the height of the object is taken as OB. And from this is the source of object, and from here light rays are traveling from here and incident on the mirror and forming the reflection. And that reflection portion is giving the image of the object. So when we use the concave mirrors, we got the inverted image of objects. Sometimes it may be a small size, sometimes it may be large in size. Now, the image is small comparatively the object because it is the position of the object is beyond C. So beyond C, the image is smaller. So now we have the object height of OB and the image height of IM, and there is a right side of the pole from x-axis, and there is a left side that is from the pole from the left side. So what is the signs of each of these? So we know that from the pole is taken as the origin of the graph paper. So P is equal to O. P is the origin of the graph paper. And from the right side, from P or O to the right side, the sign is taken as positive. So in the right side, that is taken as positive. So this portion is taken as positive. And from pole to the left side, this is taken as negative. The object is upward or upper portion of the x-axis. So the object is taken as the value positive. But the image formed is downward of the x-axis, and this is taken as the negative value using new Cartesian sign convention. So in new Cartesian sign convention, In concave mirrors, the height of the object is taken as positive and the height of the image is taken as negative. So, I think you can understand how can we find out the signs of the height of object and the distance between the mirrors of the object and the image. From here, we have to find out in the distance from the object to the mirror to measuring this distance and putting a negative sign with this, because in New Cartesian convention, sign convention, that here the length is taken as negative and the distance between the image and the mirror, that is always taken as negative because the left side of this is taken as negative. So we want to take in some values in all of this measurement. How can we give in the signs of the value? Here, the object having a height of 10 centimeter. Object having a height of 10 centimeter and the image having 5 centimeter. So what is the height of the object using New Cartesian sign convention? The height of the object OB is equal to 10 centimeter. But using New Cartesian sign convention, putting a positive sign. So height of the object OB is positive 10 centimeters. And the height of the image IM is equal to 5 centimeters. But it is in the downward portion, so we are taking negative side. So the height of the object OB is equal to positive 10 centimeter and the height of the object image is equal to minus 5 centimeter basic New Cartesian sign convention. And the distance from the object to the mirror, this distance is 20 centimeter and the distance from the mirror to the image is taken as 6 centimeters. So, what is the distance from O to P? The distance from O to P is equal to 20 centimeter. But the New Cartesian sign convention says that from the pole to the left side, the distance is taken as in the terms negative. So, the distance from O to P is negative 20 centimeter. And the distance from I to P is image to the mirror is 6 centimeter and New Cartesian sign convention gives a negative sign. That is, it is in the left side of the x-axis. So, like this, we are taking the signs in height of the objects and distance between the mirror and object and image and object using the New Cartesian sign convention. Okay? And using this, we have to find out in some problem. In problems, they giving what is the values of the or the distance of the image from object and others, but we are writing the signs with this. Okay? And we find out in the answers of problems using New Cartesian sign convention. And another topic is that what is the magnification of a mirror? To magnifying a object is to enlarging an object. So the magnification of mirror and how the magnification of mirror is depends with the distance between the object and the mirror. So to find out in this, we have a simple experiment using a concave mirror. Using a concave mirror, here we are using an object with OB is the height, and here there is two rays of light. One is striking on the pole of the pole of the mirror, and the other one is reflecting, and the image is forming when the two lines are intersect. Here the image is formed. OB is the object, IM is the image formed, P is the pole of the concave mirror, and here are C and F, center of curvature C and F. So the image here formed between C and F. Okay. And from here we want to find out what is the magnification and how the magnification and the distance between image and object, distance between image, object and the mirror. Okay. So find out this, we have to consider two triangles OBP and IMP. These two triangles are similar triangles. These two triangles are similar triangles, and the concept of similarity gives that IM by OB is equal to IP by OP. That is, the height of the image divided by the height of the object is equal to the distance between image from the mirror divided by the distance between object from the mirror, IP by OP. IM by OB is equal to IP by OP. And here IM is taken as the height of the image, that is HI. And OB is taken as height of the object, that is HO. And IP is taken as the distance between image from the mirror, and that is V. And the distance between object from the mirror, that is U. That is HI by HO is equal to V by U. And we are using new Cartesian sign convention. HI, the height of the image, is taken as negative. Height of the object is positive. V and U are negative because the distance from the image to the object and distance from the object from the mirror is negative signs. And the magnification M is equal to HI by HO. Magnification having an equation, that is, the magnification of an object is equal to the height of the image divided by height of the object. That is in the positive side. So M is equal to HI by HO is equal to minus V by U. So the magnification M is equal to HI by HO, which is equal to minus V by U. Magnification giving HI by HO is equal to minus V divided by U. And from here we can write that magnification m is equal to h by o, that is minus v by u. This is the magnification of a object using mirrors. Okay, so the magnification of the mirrors and the distance between the image from the mirror and distance between the object from the mirror are related like this. Hi by ho is equal to minus v by u. Here the magnification comes, that is reducing the negative sign of u. Magnification is giving here the sign only in v, not in u. Okay, magnification is that enlarging the image. So the distance between image to the mirror is taken as positive because of the magnification. So I think all of you understand about how the magnification of the object and the distance between the image from the mirror, object from the mirror. In a concave mirror, there is two lines, two rays that is coming from a source of light, and the source of light or the object is taken as OB, and that two rays forming an image that is taken as IM. And for finding out the relation between the magnification and the height of the image and object, we are considering two triangles, that is OBP and IMP. And these two triangles are similar, and the concept of similarity giving that IM by OB is equal to IP by OP. IM is the height of the image and OB is the height of the object, and IP is the distance between mirror to image and OP is the distance between mirror to object. And substituting the values of IM, OB, IP and OP from the figure, that is IM is the height of the image, so that is taken as HI, image height, and OB is the height of the object, so that is taken as HO, that is object height, and IP is the distance between image from the mirror, and that is taken as V, and OP is the distance between object from the mirror, and that is taken as U. And using the new Cartesian sign convention, the height of the image is taken as negative because it is the lower side of the x-axis, and the distance between object from the mirror and image from the mirror are taken as negative because these two are come in left side of the x-axis or the opposite side of the x-axis. So these two are taken as negative. But the magnification of object is m is equal to positive hi by ho. This is an equation, that is m is equal to h by ho. So that equation makes the sign convention is comes to positive, and only the distance between the object and the image and the mirror is taken as only the negative sign because here the magnification comes. So the relation between magnification and the height of the image and object and the distance between image and object, that is m is equal to hi by ho is equal to minus v by u. And there are some problems based in find out in the magnification of object. In all of that problems, they are giving the height of the object or height of the image or v or u. And from that, we are using the new Cartesian sign convention and find out the answers. So the problems we have to discuss through our WhatsApp, and this is the magnification and height of the object relation. And I think all of you understand what is the magnification of object and how can we using the new Cartesian sign convention using different types of mirrors. And the state that using to new Cartesian sign convention is that different types of mirrors are using to find out in the image formation, and the position of the image is changing, the focal length of the image is changing, different types of mirrors are changing the formation of image and the nature of the image forming. So here we using new Cartesian sign convention. So this is all over today's class. Thank you.